Okay guys, here I am at the Pollo Loco. Hey guys, back at Pollo Loco. Today I'm going to be showing you a healthy meal for lunch or dinner. And it's the double avocado chicken salad. It only has 350 calories, so if you're looking to eat healthy food, Pollo Loco is the one. Charbroiled chicken, and yeah, I'm going to go over that and review that with you, and you can check out the menu here, and I'll be ordering just in a few seconds. Okay guys, I just ordered the double chicken avocado salad today. Oh, you get 5 tacos for $5, 2 tacos. You get, that's their special right now. Pretty good. I'm approaching the window here. Hi, how are you? It's Steve Johnny X.
¿Cómo?
Steve Johnny X.
Steve Johnny. Okay.
Yeah. I do a lot of food reviews, and I do shorts and stuff like that. So what's happening? Steve Johnny X here, the rocker, doing another food review for you guys. Hey man, how's your week going so far? Hope you're having a great day. I'm gonna take off my seatbelt, make myself comfortable. All right, well, I like to put the dressing on. I'm gonna put that cilantro. It's cilantro dressing. Now let me get positioned here. So I hope your day is going well. It's Thursday, almost the end of the week, and I'm gonna go ahead and add this dressing, cilantro. And this is real healthy. This is only 350 calories, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, pretty healthy food. So okay, let's see what we got going here. I gotta adjust my camera. And here we go, guys. I'm gonna dig in right now. Ready? Very good. You got little slices of cheese, corn, pico de gallo, and your charbroiled chicken. This salad will be my lunch and dinner. How's your day going so far, guys? Little crunchy chip. Beating with my food in my mouth. It's not too good, but here it is. Crunchy chip. Fresh. About this salad, got everything, a little bit of everything. Got corn, got avocado, dressing. Can't go wrong. 350 calories, guys. Making a mess. I got some avocado chili with salt though. So if you wanted to throw it on there, you could make it a little spicy. So. Don't that look good, guys? It's very satisfying. I suggest that you find this item at the Pollo Loco. If you have a Pollo Loco near you and you're looking healthy or looking healthy foods, I would come here for lunch instead of going to McDonald's buying a McDouble chicken Big Mac or a Big Mac or a quarter pounder. That food is nasty. To me, I don't eat it. People that review that kind of food, that harms you. Definitely harms you. I can't tolerate McDonald's. It's just something that I don't like. I'm sorry. So when you see me doing my food reviews, you know, I try to pick health. Cabbage. What else can you ask for? Avocado. So it's really good.
Well, I thank you guys. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks.